Good morning, I'm John Eileth and I'm here representing eHaus today, and this is a pretty exciting day for us as we share this also with Neocrete. So behind me is the foundations being poured of the first certified PassivHaus in the Nelson region. PassivHaus is an energy efficiency standard originating in Germany and spreading throughout the world, and eHaus is really passionate and has been pioneering this in New Zealand for 10 years. But the day today is particularly special because we're partnering with a company called Neocrete. And Neocrete have a European or a Russian history, but this is the first time that Neocrete is actually being involved in a New Zealand project as they establish themselves here. So what's special about Neocrete is that they've worked out a way of reducing the embodied energy of the carbon in concrete. And we all know that concrete does have a lot of embodied energy. And so through many years of trials overseas, they've developed a product which is able to maintain the same strength and structural integrity of the concrete, but at the same time removing some of the core cement product and thereby reducing the actual embodied energy. And so it's a perfect combination with eHaus and Neocrete. eHaus is all about energy efficiency and using the best materials and reducing the carbon content. And that's why it's such an exciting day here for both companies.